Hey guys, hey, real quick tip here. I got some questions a couple days ago about a chandelier. I was picking up a chandelier at a flea market and was going to hook it up, and they said, well, we don't know which wire is the hot, which one's the neutral on these. And I said, no problem. And I realized that this would be a quick tip for someone. So let me turn this camera around and I'll show you how to tell on a used chandelier which wires are hot, which wires are not. All right, so let me back this out here. We got a chandelier sitting here. It's an old one. You got your wires here. So you can't really tell these two wires apart. One of them sometimes has some writing, sometimes don't. This is definitely your ground wire, this copper wire here. But you don't know which wire's here. So clip on this wire, turn on the old Fluke 87V Max, do an audible. So when you look inside here, this outer ring, that is tied to your common. The center, that's tied to your hot. Not getting no sound. You hear the sound? So this black wire here that this is connected to, that'll be your common white wire that you hook to. Hook this over here to this one. Touch the outside, not working there. Getting the audible sound. And that's how you find your hot wire. That's how you tell the difference between which is hot, which is your common on a used light fixture. And that's your tip for today. Remember, call KL2 Maintenance for all your maintenance and repair solutions.